Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a full tutorial on how to report a bug in Lens in Snapchat. Reporting bugs helps improve the performance of Lens and ensures a seamless augmented reality experience. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Locate the Snapchat icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Snapchat settings. Step 3. In your settings, look for the gear icon. Tap on it to access your Snapchat preferences. Step 4. Scroll down and find the option labeled I spotted a bug. Tap on it to access the bug reporting feature. Step 5. Within the bug reporting menu, select Camera to report a bug related to Lens in Snapchat. Step 6. Write a specific report on the bug you encountered. Be as detailed as possible, describing the issue you faced with the Lens. If necessary, you can add pictures to your report by tapping on Add Attachments and selecting the relevant images. By following these steps, you can effectively report a bug in Lens in Snapchat and contribute to improving the augmented reality experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.